In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your store preferences on Steam. Whether you're looking to customize your gaming experience or just want to streamline your Steam interface, adjusting your store preferences can make a big difference. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam application on your computer. If you use Steam regularly, you likely have it installed already, but if not, you can download it from the official Steam website. Once you have it opened, you'll find the login option at the top right corner of the window. Click on it and proceed to the login page. On the login page, simply enter your account name and password. Make sure your details are accurate, as entering your information incorrectly too many times can lead to a temporary lockout for security reasons. Once those details are filled in, hit the sign in button to gain access to your account. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage, a hub of exciting games and features. From here, look for your profile name located at the top of the screen. It should be easy to spot as it's highlighted. Click on your profile name and a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find the Store Preferences option, so go ahead and click on it. Now you're in the Store Preferences menu and you're about to explore how you can tailor your Steam Store experience. You'll see a section dedicated to managing mature content preferences. Here you can decide whether you want to see mature rated games in your store recommendations and searches. Adjust these settings based on your comfort level. Next you have your store content preferences. This section allows you to choose the type of content you prefer to see, like popular genres or specific types of games. It's a great way to keep your feed populated with content that truly interests you. Then you have the community content preferences section, where you can set what kind of community content appears in your feed. This could include things like artwork, game reviews, or guides from other users. Customizing these settings will ensure that you see content that's relevant and enjoyable. Moving on, the discovery queue preferences will let you focus on the type of games that show up in your discovery queue. This can save you time by only presenting games that align with your interests. As you continue adjusting your store preferences, you'll arrive at platform preferences. These settings determine which platforms such as Windows, Mac or Linux the store will prioritize when suggesting games. For those of you who own a Steam Deck, there's also a Steam Deck Preferences section. Here you can fine-tune the content recommendations specifically for your Steam Deck device. Lastly, don't forget to check out the broadcast preferences. If you enjoy watching or broadcasting live streams, these settings can help personalize the content that's displayed to you. By setting all these preferences, you're optimizing your Steam experience to ensure it's as enjoyable and efficient as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.